things to consider if you want to raise a vegan baby. Number one, consider vitamin D. Where is your little one getting their vitamin D sources? This can be from supplementation, mushrooms, or even sunlight. Number two is your iron. Baby's iron typically comes from meat sources, so if you have a vegan baby, we're looking at non-heme sources. Some include grains or legumes. We can look at soaking these to increase absorption of iron, or pairing these with a high vitamin C food like broccoli or strawberries. Number three, another nutrient to consider is B12, which is mainly also found in meat sources. B12 for vegans can be found in tempeh, chlorella, cremini mushrooms, and seaweeds. Omega-3s, now these are typically found in fish, so if you are vegan, we want to look at chlorella again, some more seaweeds in there. This is where you're going to find your omega-3s and DHEA. Starting your vegan journey at the time of having your little one might not be an ideal time, as it does take practice, knowledge, and experience to ensure you're combining plant-based foods adequately and ensuring optimal nutrition for your little one and yourself.